Who are you talking to, Gabriel?
Hi.
Let me see. Come here. Gabriel. Gabriel. Who's on the phone? Who are you talking to now?
Uncle Brad.
Uncle Brad? Say hi, Uncle Brad.
Hi, Uncle Brad.
How are you doing?
How do we back?
Okay, bye. Okay, hang up the phone.
Okay.
Good job. Who are you calling now?
I don't know.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Okay, you're being shy.
I'm gonna see.